Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Just wanted to make a short rant video here on YouTube and MCNs, and specifically the MCN that I am with, which is BroadbandTV or BBTV as they are commonly known by here on YouTube. And it has become a regular issue where they are late paying creators, and I'm not talking too terribly late, 2-3 days maybe at the most, but it's an issue, and I want to talk about it because it has happened again. Back in February we had a delay. They had a payment processing issue and we were delayed. I think there's been a couple other times since then where it was a day or two late, but the major issue is the fact that they don't tell anybody. We're supposed to be paid on or before the 15th of the month per the agreement that creators have with them. So like if I earn money on YouTube in August, they used to have a fast pay program. Let's talk about that first. They used to have a fast pay program, which was I would earn money in August, and then the money I earned for the month of August, I would be paid on September 15th for the month of August. That lasted, I don't know, maybe a year or two, not too terribly long, and they just discontinued it. So in August, I got paid for half of July. So I got half of July in August, and I got the other half of July in September, and then now in October I'm supposed to receive the full month of the August amount. So they split it up when they discontinued it, so you still got paid a little bit each month, but they didn't really give us any warning that it was being discontinued. They're like, hey, it's being discontinued, you're getting paid half this month, half the next month, and then it's going to go back to the regular payment schedule. So that kind of sucks. It doesn't really matter too much once you are off fast pay, because you're still getting paid every month, but your money basically lags a month behind. So you earn money in August, you get paid in October, and that really doesn't matter too much for me because my earnings are about the same every month. But if you're a creator that uses like super chats or stuff like that, and you want to get your super chat money the next pay period, you're kind of delayed on that. So it sucks if you do that, but I don't really do too much of that, so it doesn't matter too much for me. But it's become an issue now where they're continuously late on payments and they don't say anything about it. You have to, hey, what's going on? Hey, what's going on? Like I just, I ask them in the DMs on Twitter, and all they tell me is, oh, reach out to support, email them, blah, blah, but they don't get back to you. I emailed them on Friday, haven't heard anything back. Other creators, I was talking to a dude on Twitter or X, Sully, because I had posted on Friday, we were supposed to get paid on Friday, which was the 13th, but we're supposed to get paid on a Friday if the 15th falls on the weekend. That's what the agreement says. So on or before the 15th, the Friday before if the 15th falls over the weekend on Saturday or Sunday. So we didn't get paid on Friday, so I made a post. I was like, hey, what's going on with payments? Is there a delay? BBTV didn't say anything, but I got a couple people reaching out to me on X in the DMs saying they didn't get paid as well. I got people, a bunch of people in the messages saying the same thing. Hey, I didn't get paid. What's going on? Blah, blah. So it's not just something that affects just me. I'm not the only one annoyed by the late payments. Everybody gets pissed when their money is messed with. So especially the guy Sully I was talking to, he's got 500,000 subscribers on one of his channels, and he says he has 3 channels. He has employees that he pays with this money. So he expects this money on the 15th so he can pay his employees. And then it gets delayed, and BBTV doesn't say anything about when our money is going to be, sent to us. So it's really annoying that they're doing this and they're having this issue and there's no communication about it. If there was communication about it, like on Friday, hey, payment delay, you'll get your money on Monday, no big deal. But when they leave you wondering when you're going to get paid, it's kind of a big deal, especially when you're, I'm a 14, almost a 14,000 subscriber channel. This money for me is just extra money. But there's people that actually rely on this for a living, for a business, to pay their bills. So it's a big deal when this happens. So BBTV, if you're watching this, maybe you will, maybe you won't, because I'm a partner with you guys. You need to get your act together. And I am looking into leaving an MCN. I know a bunch of you guys are going to tell me, oh, why are you even with an MCN? All they do is take your money. Yes, I agree. There's a couple BBTV features that I do use that come with being partnered with them. But other than that, I am looking to leave. Now that I am kind of up there in subscribers, I would probably be earning a little bit more money if I just went with YouTube and AdSense directly, because they wouldn't be taking a cut out of my YouTube earnings like BBTV does. So that is something that I am going to be looking into, and disconnecting my channel with BBTV. I don't know what my agreement is exactly on time frame when I can do that. I may have to wait until right before my next, I think it renews every year unless you tell them otherwise. So I may have to wait till like, I think it's like July. But since they have breached the contract multiple times with these late payments, I am going to try and disconnect early, and see what they have to say about that. But if anybody else is with BBTV and they've had these experiences, let me know down in the comments below, or reach out to me on X. You can either DM me or just send me a post. It is at Techout Official on YT on X, and all my socials, they are linked down below. So reach out to me and let me know if you've had any of these issues as well. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.